My name's Brandon Hill, and I am the owner of Hiller Golf. Here, the experience is it's a very welcoming location. So we've just opened it up for golf professionals to come into this facility and teach. And it's a nice private environment. We have just recently incorporated, it's a full Toja Grid system now. So when you walk in, what you'll see is the actual structure. It's about 13 in width and 18 in depth and about 10 high. So you see it from the side angle. It's more of an open concept, which is great with the Toja Grid system. You can have the curtains on a tracking system come back and forth, so if you want it open or closed. And then you walk through, and then you'll have the one in the back. That's more of the 6x6 seater. So we have a 4x4 option and a 6x6. We stain all of the cedar posts that connect into the brackets, so that's what you'll see at the back. Before we got Toja into the business, we had aluminum structures. It was very expensive. The fittings were tight. When you work with aluminum, it was tough, it was loud. A lot of pieces were involved. So that was kind of our world, putting up these pop-up simulating bays. And then we moved into the Toja system. The most impressive part are the brackets. They're a great price. They're very easy to work with. It just looks professional. It's a DIY product, so it's very versatile. It's very custom. From start to finish, it's pretty quick to put the structure up, for sure. The main reason why I would recommend Toja Grid is for the simplicity. For us, it just makes things a lot easier. All of our customers love it.